Welcome to the Packaging School. In this video we have discussed, what is blister packaging? Its applications and technologies used for blister forming. What is blister packaging? Blister packaging is a system that seals a filled plastic blister to a piece of coated cardboard, paper, or foil through the application of heat and pressure. The basic form of a blister pack consists of two specific layers, the forming material and the lidding material. By applying heat and pressure, the forming film is molded into a bubble or cavity shape that suits the individual item to be packed. The forming film is usually composed of a semi-rigid plastic material or a laminated/coated structure of different plastic films and foils. The lidding material is a thin, flat film or foil, often a laminated structure, applied to the back of the forming layer with the product nestled inside. Applications of blister packaging. It extensively used in consumer goods and pharmaceutical industries. Unit dose packaging. Carded blister packs for lightweight consumer goods. Clamshell blister packs for heavier consumer goods. It also used for packaging, glass bottles/vials, plastic bottles, egg cartons. Now let's understand technologies used for blister forming. First, thermoforming. Thermoforming is a manufacturing process where a plastic sheet is heated to a pliable forming temperature, shaped to a specific mold, and trimmed to create a usable product. The plastic sheet, or film, when referring to thinner gauges and certain material types, is heated to a high enough temperature so that it can be stretched into or over a mold and then cooled into a finished shape. There are some advantages and disadvantages of thermoformed blister packs, like PVC is the most commonly used forming material, low cost and easy to mold. Transparent plastic allows easy visual inspection for the customer. Snug fit enables use of universal feeders. Feeders are low cost and simple to operate. Along with it has weak barrier against moisture and oxygen. Not ideal for light-sensitive drugs, amber PVC is costly. 2. Cold forming. In cold forming, an aluminum-based laminate film is pressed into a mold using a stamp or plug. The aluminum-based composite elongates and maintains the formed shape. These are commonly referred to as cold-form foil, CFF, blisters in the industry. Cold forming has some advantages like aluminum on both sides gives a strong barrier. Protects against moisture, light, and oxygen. Extends product shelf life. Also disadvantages like slower production than thermoforming. Opaque packs make inspection harder and costlier. Aluminum film is more expensive than PVC. Larger blister size increases material cost and bigger cavities need dedicated feeders, adding cost and complexity. Thanks for joining us. If you learned something in this video, like, subscribe and share with your family and friends.